Welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is a very healthy recipe which we can make for breakfast or snacks. It's a very easy recipe, quick recipe with very less number of ingredients. So here I have taken 4 tablespoons of sugar, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk boiled and cooled, and 4 slices of bread. Let's make the egg and milk mixture. In a bowl, add the egg, now add the milk. I have added less than half a cup of milk initially. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Now mix it well. Here I am adding little more milk. And another 2 spoons of sugar. Mix it well. Our egg and milk mixture is ready. So I have used only half a cup of milk. You can check and adjust the consistency accordingly. Now take a tawa or a pan, add few drops of oil and let it get hot. Now dip the bread slice in the mixture on both the sides gently. Now place it on the tawa. Dip the other bread slice also in the same way. Add some oil on the top of the slice and flip it on the other side. Cook it evenly on both the sides or till we get the golden brown color. Keep flipping the bread on both the sides till it is cooked properly. Now you can see the bread is cooked well on both the sides and has turned golden brown. Cook all the other bread slices also in the same way. Our healthy French toast is ready. You can serve this with butter, honey or maple syrup. So do try this out and enjoy for your breakfast or for snacks. And let me know your feedback in the comments.